Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ricardo. The unthinkable has happened. About 2 months ago, SlickWraps put a tweet out saying that they were remaking the skins for the Nintendo Switch. If you remember a year ago, D-Brand and SlickWraps stopped making skins for the Switch because the adhesive was ruining the paint when it was peeled off. Fast forward to 2 months ago in February, SlickWraps put a tweet saying they were making the skins again, and I replied to their tweet saying, "Hey SlickWraps, I would love to review one of these on my YouTube channel." Now I know it's impossible. They would never send me a free product. I have like -12 subscribers. Well, a month after my tweet, they like it. The same day that they announced the skins are available on their website for sale. Who likes a tweet a month later? So I replied to my same tweet saying, A couple minutes later, I get a reply saying, send us a DM. So what do? I send them my information. 3 to 5 business days later, my package had arrived. I got the retro skin for, you know what? Let me just show you. I made a video. Here you go.